what's the biggest frustration when it comes to 1031 exchange or the capital gains tax deferral solutions?
Yeah, what we found, and this is part of why we started the company, Capital Gains Tax Solutions, we just found that, people want freedom and flexibility, right? They want to be able to do the things they want to do with the time they have on this earth. And whether that be more entrepreneurial with their capital coming out of a cryptocurrency exit or a business exit or a business partnership that they're ready to exit or a primary home, whatever it might be, you want to have something or a tool that's only going to defer the tax that's going to give you what you're trying to achieve. And so with the 1031 exchange, the biggest frustration is it's just so restrictive. It's like Blockbuster. If you showed up on a Friday night, 15 years ago when those are still around and you wanted to rent that movie, it may not be there, behind that cardboard box. But if it was there, you have to return it in 3 days and, the DVD may be scratched and it doesn't even work. And, it's just, and then Netflix came out and it was super flexible, right? It didn't require like kind, replacements. Like the 1031 requires it can only be investment property, trading for investment property, but you can't go into, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds like what you do, Jessica, as a financial advisor. You can't truly diversify into multiple product types. You can't get liquidity, right? You have to stick it all into this one other asset, and you have to typically replace the debt. And debt's not necessarily your friend when marketplaces, interest rates are adjusting and doubling in some places, and your time and your energy is so focused on having to manage the toilets, trash, the liability. And so again, clarifying what it is that we're trying to solve for, and then reverse engineering what actually solves for it. And the 1031 exchange is just doesn't solve for so many things. And so it's the 10,000 hours of spending time with the clients, friends, and family in commercial real estate and growing up in the business that we found that the 1031 can be your best friend if you can find a deal that makes sense, when it makes sense for your lifestyle. But with this huge wealth transfer, Jessica, as you know, it's the largest wealth transfer in the history of the planet. It's happening right now. And as it happens, people want to spend time with their family or relocate or do something else or just diversify or just wait on the sidelines and wait for the market to shift. And the Deferred Sales Trust just solves so many of those challenges that the 1031 does not. And if people want to learn more about that, then go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com. But also have a book coming out, by the way. It's called Building Tax Deferred Exit Strategy. Look at that, Jessica. And we got like people like Kevin Harrington from Shark Tank in the book. It's pretty cool. But yeah, it's called Building a Tax Deferred Exit Strategy. And you can learn more about it at capitalgainstaxsolutions.com.